Hey, what's up, YouTube? Alright, so I'm here with a student. She's practicing for her driving test. She's doing her driving test tomorrow. So we're gonna run through the driving test. Take a look at the merchandise, people. The hats and the hoodies and t-shirts are all available now in the YouTube store. So take a good look at it. Make sure you go in and make your order. That is the hats, the t-shirts, the hoodies. I have phone cases, I have bags. So yeah, there's a lot of merchandise. Please support the channel by buying something from the YouTube store. Alright, so they're gonna ask you, if you're parked facing uphill, what direction do you turn the steering wheel?
Turn your wheels to the left and put your car in park and put the emergency brake and turn off the engine.
Cool. Alright, go ahead, signal left. Signal right. Blow the horn. Press and release the brake. Right, they're doing that to make sure that the brake lights are working, the horn is working, the turn signal lights are working. They will not take you out in a car if those things are not working. Okay, so now we're gonna revert. The examiners are sitting here, by the way. They're gonna tell you to reverse and go to the left. So go ahead and reverse and go to the left. Look behind you and roll straight back. And when your mirrors got to the end of the line, like about here, you turn in all the way to the right, and then you're gonna continue reversing. When your mirrors pass the middle here, you're gonna stop. Put it back in drive, and we're gonna go to the end to the stop sign right here, and we're going to make a right turn. Alright, so go ahead, make a right turn, signal right. So every time they tell you to turn, you make sure you signal. Otherwise, you will lose 4 points. So you want to make sure you signal every single time. Alright, go ahead. So you're looking both ways here. You look to the left, and then you go ahead and make your right turn. We're going all the way right. And then we're going to continue all the way down this corridor until I tell you to stop. Alright, so we're going to make a right turn right past this building. Signal right, slow down right here. Alright, stay close to the right side. We're going to make a left, so signal left. And as soon as you go around this corner and straighten up, I want you to stop, because they're going to tell you to do the quick stop right here. So stop about here, straighten the wheel though. Stop completely, boom. Alright, now they're gonna tell you to speed up to 20 and do the sudden stop. So go ahead, do that. Speed up, 20. And stop. Perfect. Alright, now put it in reverse and roll straight back. So you're looking behind you, making sure the wheel is straight though. And roll straight back until I tell you to stop. No gas, just let it roll. Okay, about right there, stop. Okay, now put it in drive. We're gonna go down and we're gonna go around the corner and make a left turn. Turn off this stupid ringer before it rings again. Some of the videos you hear my phone going off in the video. Yeah. Alright. Stay close to the right side. Close to the right, close to the right. And we're gonna park on the left, so signal left. Pull this a little bit more. Alright, that's good. Signal left, turn all the way left.
Please subscribe.
Yeah. That's what I need. Subscribers. Straighten up, straighten up, straighten up, straighten up in the middle of this area, yeah. And stop. Okay, reverse, straight back, and this time we're going to go to the left to do the 3-point turn. Yeah, I have, what, 12,000 something subscribers, 12,500 and something. I'm trying to get to 15,000 by the end of the year. All the way right, turn the wheel, all the way right, 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 right. And then look behind you as you reverse. And stop about here. As soon as your mirror is past the middle, you stop. Now put it back in drive. Pull up next to the line on the right side. Because now they're going to tell you to do the 3-point turn. So stop about here and 3-point turn, signal left, turn all the way left, and you're going to go forward and stop before you hit that curb. Okay, that's good. Reverse all the way to the right. Look over your left shoulder and reverse. Again, as soon as your mirror is past the middle, you stop and drive. We're losing light quickly. You realize?
Yeah.
You see how quickly it's getting dark? It's like boom, just like, you know, within a couple of minutes, it's starting to be dark. All right, so we're making a left turn here again. So you signal. So again, every time they tell you to turn, put on your turn signal. So 1, 2, 3. Because if you don't signal, you are losing 4 points for each time that you don't. And you definitely don't want to lose points for not signaling. So yeah. Now we're going to go down to the end and we're going to do the same thing again.
They always, because I always park. Sorry.
What?
I'm talking.
You can talk. There's nothing wrong with talking. Make it laugh.
Sorry.
That's fine. Go down to the next one. Go to the next one. Yeah, the only thing is you don't want to talk about anything that I have to edit out. You know what I'm saying? Because then that's more work.
Yeah.
Alright, straighten up here. And we're going to go down to the stop sign and make a left. And then park up over there by your car and we'll continue practicing. So yeah, this is the den, right? Left turn. And then park up next to your car.
Yeah, I never park like this way.
It's harder, but it's doable. Alright, so you go like this and now turn all the way to the right.
Okay.
All the way. All the way and turn
Now?
the wheel. Stop.
Okay.
Yeah. Turn the wheel.
Okay.
All the way. Yeah. And then roll into the space. Straighten the wheel and stop. Okay, put the car in park. Alright, cool. Now, how do you think you did?
Good.
Good. Yeah,
Thank you
yeah,
so
yeah.
much.
She did great.
That's very good. Oh my God, Mr. Hen is really good. Thank God.
Yeah, we're practicing. They're still practicing. She did great. She's gonna pass. You wanna say hi?
Say hi.
Yeah, she's gonna pass. I'm pretty sure, but we're gonna continue to practice because we have more time, right? So again, support the channel. Check out the hat. Tell me if you like the hat. Comment on the hat and go into the store and pick one up. All right, thank you again for watching, and I will see you guys on the next video.